So in the today's session, I'm sharing one of the real-time scenario-oriented interview questions for automation testing engineer. We have minimum 1 year or 2 years or 3 years or above 3 years of experience candidate. Definitely face this frequently asked entry questions for automation test engineer. Okay, so then what that question is? So the question is like, what procedure you apply if you want to execute 300 test cases for a client in time? So this is one of the real-time scenario-oriented questions, guys. So definitely you will definitely face this question while whenever you are attending the interview. Then you have to give the proper answer if you want to get impressed on the interviewer. Then what type of procedures you are following whenever you are executing around 200 or 300 or 500 test cases for a client in time. Okay, the first thing is you have to prioritize the test cases. First, you have to identify the critical test cases and what test cases are important to validate initially, and you have to focus on high priority test cases. Okay, so this is one of the main important process you have to follow, guys. And the second one is you have to use automation. Okay, you have to use automation for repetitive and time consuming test cases. Okay, so it might be any automation tool, it might be Selenium or any Cypress or any other automation tool. You should use any automation tool instead of manual testing, okay, to improve your efficiency or performance. Okay, and third one is, so if it is possible, then you have to run parallel. You have to execute multiple test cases at the same time to save your time. Okay, so and next one is, if there is any possibilities there, you have to distribute your test cases to run your test. Okay, you have to run your test cases on different missions or environments simultaneously. Then you definitely save more time. Okay. And next one is you have to optimize data setup. Okay, here optimized data setup means you can make the test data setup process more efficient, reducing the time for test execution and ultimately speeding up your overall testing process. Next one is CI/CD integration. So we have to integrate testing into development pipeline for automatic testing. And next one is monitor and report. This is also important. You have to keep an eye on test execution and generate detailed reports. Okay, and next one is feedback loop. That means you have to collaborate closely with the development team to address the issues promptly. Okay, and finally you have to do some continuous improvement. That means regularly update and improve your testing process to the client. So this is the process I'm following whenever I'm executing around 300 or 500 or above 500 test cases. Whenever client is asking, whenever client is asking some deadlines time. So that's all, guys, for this session. I hope this real-time scenario entry questions make you really interesting. So if you want more videos like this, then follow our Biolekisa YouTube channel, and don't forget hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your social networking platform, because this content definitely helpful for many automation test engineer. Okay, so I will come back to one more useful content video. Thank you.